Hey everybody, I'm out here at an undisclosed location because we're doing something that we shouldn't be doing, which is camp without a permit. So got a nice little body of water behind me. I'm sure you can probably see that. What's different about today is that I'm with somebody who I've just met for the first time. We've been talking a little bit, and we may be going on other trips together. So I'll give you an introduction in a couple seconds. Well, actually, some backpackers just passed by where we stopped here. They're full kit. They're doing exactly what we're doing. I think they're trying to through hike this trail. So yeah, we stopped along the trail because it's a really cool area, a good place to hang our hammocks. I think we want to get off trail a little bit more. Yeah, there's my man right there. Coming off the trail.
What's up?
This is Dan.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, Dan, local guy to me. We've been talking a little bit and talking about possibly doing a trip to the Sipsey here in several weeks. And it's been a while since he's gone out and did this, and so we're breaking each other in a little bit here, trying to get ready for this.
No doubt.
All right, we just got started anyway. We're off trail a little ways, and we found a couple of hang spots. This isn't as sweet as where we stopped before, but this is where we're going to live for the night. And we'll see see how this goes. I keep saying that in these videos. All right, so there we have it. All set up for our stealth camp. It's actually not too stealthy, at least mine is. Trail's about 40 feet behind you there, and my shape's pretty visible. Danny, however, back there, Danny's got a good spot. It's got like a low area, so he's down lower. He's just kicking back. We both just finished setting up. I'll grab something to eat. Probably going to go walk around here and explore here in a little bit. Take a lot of water back to camp because, yeah, it's not too far from camp, but the banks are really high at camp, so it's kind of hard to get at the water. Coming at day's end here, we went and watered up at that sandbar, and I got, you can see the orange paracord heading down past that moss. Yeah, my Seanock bag is staying chill in the water. Using nature's natural refrigerator. We've seen a lot of hikers out here today. We're kind of really surprised. Danny over here just had a double course ramen dinner. I got some short ribs I'm going to cook on the coals here. Make myself some mashed potatoes. I got just a little cook fire going on. So Dan is a bushcrafter and accomplished carver. And he gifted me, when we met, this cool hiking stick with the copperhead wrapped around it. That is so cool, you know? Dad also gave me this cool bushcraft fishing kit. way cool, man. It's made out of PVC, basically. Pretty nice. So my man Danny's here giving my blades some much needed TLC because I am not a competent sharpener of the blades yet. But this man carves for his livelihood, or at least a part of it. What was the name of your company again, Dan?
Hollow Woodcraft.
Okay. I will drop links below. But yeah, he's working on my bare bones knot axe, which has seen quite a bit of duty. and I just really, it's got some nicks and stuff in it, and I just haven't known how best to treat it.
I'm trying to find out if it had a, yeah, it definitely had a secondary
Yeah, there's definitely a secondary
bevel,
grain there.
because it's too thick right there.
Right.
Not too. So
Yeah.
that's the way I got it.
Yeah, there's definitely a secondary. And that other, the large grind, that's a convex, isn't it? Or a concave?
Well, it's almost a flat.
Oh,
Not a flat, but yeah, it's almost a hollow grind.
hollow grind, okay.
Or
Yeah.
it's
Where it's got a belly to it, like, or
yeah.
it's okay, yeah. So it's lower. Yeah, okay.
But it's not really a true hollow grind, because even the hollow point is still thicker than the edge because of how thick the skill on this blade is. This thing's a beast. It took like a whole 54 Studebaker to make this thing.
It's not quite a leaf spring, but
Is this one carbon steel or is it stainless?
oh, it's carbon. Danny had to leave this morning. He has a ride with me at the trailhead, and he had a little change of time this morning, so he had to book it before making any breakfast or anything like that. That's unfortunate. So, I don't talk about gear all that much on this channel, but this trip was something different. Yeah, I finally broke down and got me an underquilt. This is a 0 degree underquilt by Arrowhead equipment, and it is made pretty much designed for the Hennessy ASIM line of hammocks. And boy, this is the first time I set it up, first time I've used it. And if you remember, I've showed a couple of videos of my sleep system, which involved like a sleeping pad, reflective pad, sleeping bag used as a sleeping bag and everything. And that got to be problematic at times, because, first of all, the sleeping bag bunching behind you as you get into the hammock, working that out. Sometimes, you can move around at night and their pads go out from under you. But this time was none of that. None of that. Absolute toasty comfort. Now, it did not get down to 0 degrees. Probably only got down to, low 40s or something like that. And then I have I think that's a 30 degree bag that I'm using as an underquilt. Let's see. I'll show that on screen. Anyway, but yeah, I got a 0 degree underquilt because I just wanted to be able to. I don't see myself, camping out in anything lower than 0 degrees. 20 degrees probably, but 0 degrees, so I just want something to be able to handle it. Though it is bulky. I mean, that takes up a lot of room. But man, changed my game last night. Very, very comfortable. So pretty right here, right now. I just love this walking stick from Danny. But I did not. I knew that he carved. I didn't expect something like that. That was very above and beyond. And he gave me that bushcraft fishing kit. And I haven't pulled a fish out of water since I was like 12 years old. I just bought a regular fishing kit about a month ago. So I'm going to have to renew my license and get out there. I know it's going to start getting cooler weather. And I don't know what that's about as far as fishing. But I want to get into it. Here's my old camera. Scenic setup. Blah, 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 blah. Beautiful morning. Okay, guess I'm done moseying around. It's time to blow this popsicle stand. Gorgeous, beautiful day. Right in the middle of fall. Man, I love this time of year down here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you want to see some more, I've got a bunch more. Do consider giving me a subscription, punching that bell icon so you get notifications. Hit me up via email if you want to zonate reflective sticker with my YouTube logo on it. That's free just for the asking while supplies last. So yeah, so I got I'm going to be having some adventures coming up pretty soon here, which should be a bit more epic than this. But hope you enjoyed it. Everybody, get out and do something. Be good to each other.